everybody, welcome to the home of cookbook recipes. This is a cookbook kitchen with your girl Carol, and guys, welcome to today's video. This is a channel where we tell out recipes from different cookbooks from all over the world. That's my dream, to showcase different cookbooks from all over the world, and I know one day we will get there. But for now, we are going to cook from a cookbook that we already know, Everday Low Lectin cookbook, guys. If you don't know, this is a book, and I think by now you guys know this book, Everday Low Lectin cookbook by Claudia. And guys, this is what we are going to try and make today. Let me show you the picture first before I tell you what you're going to make. Look at that. It looks really pretty, guys. It looks really nice, really yummy, really sumptuous. So guys, the book calls it Kung Pao style chicken and broccoli. Now, there's a disclaimer before we start cooking, or at the end of this video start saying it's not Kung Pao. Guys, relax. Let me tell you what the writer of this book had in mind before she wrote for us this particular recipe. So she says, while this meal is inspired by the famous Kung Pao chicken, it's not exactly the same thing. So guys, of course, you know Claudia's books are lectin free. So this particular recipe will be lectin free. What does that mean? It means that it will not have peanuts. It fits a lectin light lifestyle. That means peanuts are replaced with macadamia. Now I started telling you what you're working with. You're going to work with macadamia, nuts, not peanuts. And there'll be no soy sauce or sugar in this dish. And secondly, this dish is not spicy. But you can add Tabasco red pepper sauce if you want. Go ahead. And then she says she added the broccoli to make it more nutritious. And she kept the bell pepper. And of course, if you've seen Dr. Gandhi's books or recipes, the bell pepper is peeled and you remove the seeds. So that ticks the lectin like lifestyle. And then what? She says even if it's not as intense as the original recipe, it is quick and easy. It is a quick and an easy comfort meal. Are you ready to try this out? So guys, I've never tried the original Kung Pao style chicken. So this is the closest thing to it that I'm going to try out today. So before I get that opportunity to try the original Kung Pao style chicken, let me try the closest thing that I have at hand. So guys, welcome to today's video. I'm excited for this particular one. And yeah, like I said, I've not tried it out, but from the videos I've checked online, it looks almost the same as what the picture is in the book. So welcome to today's video. And if you've tried the original Kung Pao chicken and if you've made it, watch this particular video. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this particular recipe. And yeah, what would you add? What would you take away? Of course, this book is a lectin free lifestyle, so this is what this book is all about. So karibu sana. So guys, let me show you the ingredients that we are working with today. Of course, it's a chicken recipe, so chicken in the house. This is chicken breast. Guys, remember, check the book to know the exact measurements of the ingredients. Over here, I have some rice vinegar, I have some tapioca, and I have some coconut aminos. Guys, the recipe asks for yacon syrup. I don't have yacon syrup, so I'm going to use some honey. That's what I'm going to try and use. So hopefully it will work. I have some Dijon mustard. And that's it. That's it for the marination of the chicken. Then on this other side, I have some red bell pepper. I talked about that. So we are going to peel and deseed some broccoli, guys. Some garlic, some ginger, some raw macadamia nuts, some scallion, some olive oil. Yeah, what I've not put is some water. Some water, and then salt and pepper to taste. that's it. So guys, let's start with the marination so that we can chop our veggies. Our rice vinegar, the tapioca flour, the coconut aminos, the Dijon mustard, and the honey that I'm using because I don't have the syrup. So I think the syrup is what stands in the place of the sugar. So this is a sugar-free Kung Pao chicken. So we get our chicken breast and we pour. So the book does not give a specific time for marination. All it says is keep it in the fridge while you prepare the rest of the ingredients. So the time depends on your speed. Here's our chicken, guys. So the book says that you're supposed to put in the chicken without the marination. So that's why I need a spoon that has some holes down, as you can see. You can see, guys. Let's do this. So we need them to be golden brown. So we are going to sear them for 7 minutes. Guys, here we are. Mine they're spots of golden brown. They're not golden brown all the way because they're burning, guys. So I need to remove them now before they burn completely. Then on the same saucepan, we add some oil. We add the bell pepper. The broccoli. The garlic. The ginger. So the book says we toast well and then we start adding some water so that the garlic and the ginger don't burn. Bits and pieces of a little bit of water. Some salt a bit. It's the veggies to have some salt. So we're going to add the chicken marinade to set aside, some coconut aminos, some rice vinegar, guys. The macadamia nuts, our chicken, then the scallions, guys. Our honey. I wish I had the yacon syrup, but guys, we're going to work with what we have. I've looked for it in Kenya and I've not found it, so yep. Yep. Guys, we are done. We are done. Woo! Yeah. Our Mwitu Kung Pao. This is Mwitu Kung Pao, guys. Kung Pao Mwitu. Looks really nice. You know, guys, before I tell you bye-bye, I have to taste and tell you. Then I can tell you bye-bye. Woo. I want to taste everything. The broccoli, the bell pepper, the chicken, the scallion. So guys, here we go. You're going in for the second bite, guys. Whoa. Is this recipe yummy? Tick. Is this recipe quick and easy as the book says? Tick. Even though it's not like the original Kung Pao recipe, guys, I love it. I love this. As like I said, as I went to go and taste the original Kung Pao recipe one day, I'll work with this for now. I am satisfied with this particular recipe. It's so nice. An intense combination of flavors. And then you just chew into the macadamia nuts when you finish. Hey, wadau, this Kung Pao Mwitu, hey, group of school level. I'm telling you guys, try out this particular recipe, guys. Try out this particular recipe. Don't forget, we are cooking from Everday Low Lectin Cookbook. Is it Everday Low Lectin Cookbook or is the other one? Yes. Everday Low Lectin Cookbook by Claudia, and we tried the lectin light Kung Pao chicken. I was a bit, discouraged by my chicken not browning as the book says, because the book says it needs to do what? Until it becomes golden brown. Mine started burning. I think it's the honey. I don't know, because the only thing I have changed here is the honey. The only thing that I've used that the book is not using is the honey. So I think the thickness or the stickiness of the honey is what was burning on my pot, but so far so good. I'm enjoying, I'm having fun. So that's it for today, guys. See you in the next one as we try out another recipe from a new book or a recent book. I don't know. If I get a new book, I'll bring you a new recipe. If I don't get a new book, we'll continue till we go to the end, till we finish all these recipes. That's why we are here to do that, guys. I hope one day I'll get the yakon syrup so that I can try this particular recipe with it. But before I do, let's work with what we have. Work with what you have in your kitchen, guys. Bye bye and God bless you. Let me enjoy. Kung Pao, Kung Pao. Okay, I hope the pronunciation is correct. I hope it's Yongeli Tuza.